Ready to level up your life and experience student living like never before? Then come on over to Leazes Parade in Newcastle Upon Tyne. Located in the happening neighborhood, this property offers a variety of bright and modern 2 to 6 bedroom apartments to choose from. No matter which one you choose, all rooms come equipped with the comfiest beds in town, a spacious wardrobe, a study desk, and ample storage for all your essentials. Feeling social? Gather your squad and chill in the communal lounge, where you can catch the latest shows on the big screen. Or if you're in the mood to flex your competitive muscles, take on your mates in a game of foosball or table tennis. And when those midnight munchies strike, the vending machines got you covered. Another advantage of living here is that you are within commuting distance of the city's colleges and buzzing places. Hop on the bus from Barrack Road and you'll be at Newcastle University or INTO Newcastle University in a jiffy. And when you're ready to chow down, head to Shark Club Gastro Bar for some lip-smacking, chicken wings and beer while you catch all the nail-biting matches on TV. And for a taste of authentic Greek cuisine, head over to Deborah Mediterranean Restaurant and feast like royalty. Are you ready to make this your new home sweet home? Head to amberstudent.com and reserve your stay today.